Hello, I'm Dr. Robert Bocian, founder of Allermi, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to properly take your Allermi nasal sprays. Our goal is to bring the Allermi nasal sprays as high and as deep into the nasal passages as possible. The first of the two Allermi sprays that we use is the Allermi Salinity Nasal Spray. The purpose of using this spray is to cleanse and soothe and moisturize the nasal passages, make it easier to blow the nose clean. I'm going to seat myself toward the front edge of my chair so that I can comfortably lean forward and look straight down. We call this position nose to toes. I'm going to insert the spray tip as if I'm aiming toward my eye, as high as comfortable, and in the nose to toes position with the opposite nostril closed, I will press the button on the top of the canister and gently sniff up some of the saline spray. And I will continue to sniff up for about 10 seconds using a series of rapid short sniffs that we nickname bunny sniffs in order to gently bring the spray high and deep in the nasal passages. Breathing out through the mouth when you need to. When I'm done, I will take a tissue and blow my nose. Now comes the second of the two Allermi sprays, and that is the Allermi Super Spray. A brand new bottle, never before used, first needs to be shaken. I'm now going to prime this brand new bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth pump delivered the first full spray. And now I'm ready to use my Allermi Super Spray. I'm once again going to move to the front edge of my chair. I'm going to lean comfortably forward. I'm going to insert the nasal spray tip toward my eye, as high as comfortable. I'm going to close my opposite nostril, and now I'm ready to spray. I'm going to pump the spray firmly one time and at the same time do a moderate sniff. I'm then going to remove the spray tip and continue in this position to do what we call bunny rabbit sniffs, rapid short sniffs for about 15 seconds. I'll then maintain this position, switch hands, and do the very same treatment for the opposite nostril. And that's how you take your Allermi nasal sprays.